Hey everyone, thanks for watching here. I have my 5-year-old Dell laptop here that just randomly stopped running on battery. So I tried ordering one from Dell, and the suggested thing was the wrong size. So when I got it cracked open, I realized it was the wrong size, so I ordered one off of Amazon, and that's here now. So I'm just going to show you how straightforward it is to change it, but this is the model I picked up. And then I have this kit here. Not this case, but I bought this little kit off of Amazon for trying to fix a screen on a laptop, or not a laptop, on a iPad. Oh, that's right there. I was missing that. So anyways, I got this little kit, which came with the proper size Torx bit. It's the T5, 5mm Torx. So I am going to add some light and zoom in just so you can see. So basically we've got screws all along here. A couple of them were harder to break, so I think I actually didn't put one back in when I tried the other laptop, but I opened this guy up and it matched. So the other one, A, was a smaller wattage. Oh, this one actually even ships with screwdrivers, so it's even better than the Dell one. Wow. Recommended now. We'll see if it works, but so yeah, it ships with two little screwdrivers, a little Phillips and a little Torx. So this one I got with the kit is, oh, there we go. It zoomed in so you couldn't see it. So anyways, so it came with these guys. I'll zoom back out. Ding ding ding, 1x. But this one I got with the kit has the twisting back, so makes it a little bit easier, but that's good to know. So you don't have to go get a separate piece, but this guy comes with the items needed to do it. So, what I was going to show you is I was just using the box here to hold my little screws so I don't lose them on the ground. Yeah, so we've got about 10 of them. So you got 4 on each side, 2 in the middle, and then behind here there's 2 more with a Phillips. So we'll see how this goes, but I like that this laptop's serviceable. We'll see if it works or if I have to buy a new one, because honestly I don't use my laptop a ton because I have a desktop, but when I'm on job sites I use it and it still works. I just have to be tethered. So I am going to use the screwdriver that comes with this because might be a more appropriate size. So you flip that up, and these guys here, no, actually these ones work fine. It was trying to do the other ones, but these ones are a little bit longer. They're not quite coming up, but let's see if I put pusher. There we go. So I already kind of broke that loose. The first time you do it, it's got just kind of more vacuum sealed and, you know, a little, it's not really glued down, but just from years of operation, probably kind of heat sealed up and made it better, a little more seal there. So as you can see here, I'll zoom in. Oh, actually, this is where the Phillips came in handy. So on here, there is these Phillips screws, dink, dink, all the way around. They kind of mark with the M. And then there's this ribbon cable. The smaller battery did not come with a ribbon cable. So this screwdriver here, let's see if it works better, but the one I had on my little kit did not quite fit. It was just a slightly different pattern. Oh, that one's broken? Or not, no. Yeah, so they're kind of a weird little screw there, actually. I take that back. That's not the one we want to pull out. Replace those. It's right by it. I don't have quite enough light in here. So these guys go on this little rubber gasket here. So I'll put those down. This one kind of came out here. Where'd it go? It's right there. And I missed, so. That seemed like a different size, which it was. So right next to the arrow, you have to look closer, that's the smaller one. And these are the ones I had an issue with my Klein screwdriver. But I also already loosened them, so these are actually the ones I also stripped one. Because it's kind of an in-between bit size. So we'll loosen those. That one's missing. Boom, right here. Boom, right here. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I got a couple that I was missing. So this pops up, and this ribbon cable should just pull out here. Boom. Just like that. So this new one, so you can see the difference here. They look identical. The Dell, let's say, feels slightly heavier, like the cells are a little bit denser. You can kind of tell there, but it still should be the same wattage. But the big thing is this one has the ribbon cable and the other one did not. So, but it looks the same. This one says Dell, and everything else looks identical. 11.4 volts, 11.4 volts. So I'm gonna throw it in, see what happens. See if it runs off the charge here. So okay, make sure it clicks all the way. It's like a double click because one side felt like it clicked and the other side didn't, so that now feels clicked down. So there's 2 screw holes here in the middle. Those are for the ones that go through the case, so don't put your screws back in there. I realized that after my attempt last time, so pop these in, screw it down. So it's pretty easy replacement. I think anybody could do it if you have the right tools, which it comes with them. Amazing. These are the RAM modules if you ever wanted to upgrade your RAM. I've heard mixed things with Dell. I always like this one I bought with 32 gigs because when I'm buying something, I want to buy once, hurt once. So I'm going to use it till it dies. Um, so got it as a deal at Costco, but the with 32 gigs of RAM on it. And then my desktop that I bought, I could tell the difference. I bought it had 16 gigs, so I actually had to buy another stick of RAM from Dell for my desktop. But that guy there, I bought the Dell specific stuff because I've heard mixed reviews about how they're not necessarily universally compatible. That's why I went to the Dell for battery, but honestly, if it's a battery, if the cable matches up, everything should be good. So that's done now. So in here, we should have the two long guys. Actually, they never came out, so we'll tighten those down. It's actually, no, it is a Torx. That is the Torx there, so let's tighten the middle ones down here. And then it's laying out all these little guys. So putting them in takes a little bit longer. I'll speed up the video. So I've been working on a flat space in my garage. That's another video for another day, but I got a little table out there, but it's already occupied by crafts and things like that. So I was trying to clear it and make it all useful so I can set up for videos like this. I'll get there. Right now I'm just experimenting, but I'll probably get a nicer camera. This one works okay on the phone. Probably makes it easier to post too, but just need to stitch them together. This one's continuous though. Oops. Yeah, so the removal would take a little bit longer, but one more screw and we'll see. Actually, two more screws. Corners. Alright, so here's the test. We'll see A, if it has a charge, but B, will it fire up just right out of here without... We got lights, so I'm thinking my battery was dead. And we're booting, so thumbs up. That's better than plug it in, charge it up, get ready for tomorrow. So, all right. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna post a link for this Dell battery, or this company, I guess, and I approve of it. Fired up, came with the tools needed to remove the battery, and made it nice and easy. So anyways, thanks for watching. Share it to your friends.